I am in a lot of meetings. I have a contrarian view to this than most other people who are of the mindset that you should avoid meetings at all costs. I can see it from their perspective because I am someone who's introverted, hopping on calls and doing all these things. They're a lot more of a drain on me, I've noticed, than other people around me, but I still insist on meeting people face to face because I feel like you can cut down on a lot of back and forth. For me, I leverage it mostly to meet with clients firstly, face to face. So they don't have to keep up with the 100 Slack messages that we send. We can just meet once for 15 minutes, ask all our questions, and everyone is up to date. SEO doesn't move that fast. We don't really need to be that real time. We're delivering our assets on the meeting days and we're communicating as to what happens. That's how I leverage meetings with clients. And it has helped a lot. There's a direct correlation with how often we meet with the clients and their average churn rate. As I've started meeting with clients more and more, I feel as if the churn rate has also gone down and down. That's a part of my day in meetings. The other part of my day is internal calls, where we're either getting updates on projects that are currently worked on, as well as training sessions for the rest of my team. I meet with the team leads every single day, and then I meet with the entire team at least once a week. We're discussing updates, we're discussing different projects. I'm chiming in, and what I feel as if this has helped is it's gotten me out of the work a lot because before we were divvying up work. They would work on this, I would work on this, and then we would combine it at some arbitrary time. What I found now is that I can be a lot more hands off. I can assign people certain tasks. I can provide them the training that they need, as well as review any of the work that's coming through. And that way, what happens is that I'm able to still have a pulse for what's going on. I can contribute where I'm most needed, which is at the high level. And also what it does is it keeps me in the driver's seat, or at least in the passenger seat. I'm in the car at least. I'm not just showing up to client meetings, not knowing anything. I know exactly what's going on because I do go on those calls. I am contributing to those assignments, but yes, it is extremely labor intensive. I try to schedule certain types of calls on certain types of days. On Thursdays, I do all my internal calls. So anyone I missed, I try to squeeze all of them in. Throughout the week, I meet with clients at whenever they're at their convenience, because obviously they're busy people. We're known as the SEO button. It's like convenience. So we want to obviously stress that through every asset of our business. We want to be as most convenient to you as possible. Those are spread out. The advice that I would give is try to pack similar meetings into similar days. That's number one, so that you're always zoned into that channel. And then the other thing is try to keep meetings at a certain time. Either try to fit them into your morning schedule, into your afternoon schedule, or your evening schedule, so that you have a consistent flow of, hey, now it's the evening time. Now I can focus on my deep work. Or now it's the morning time, but it's time for me to meet every single person. That helps as well.